Environmental impact of diets across genders. For this analysis, I studied how various diet choices impact the environment, and how that differs in between males and females. I used Plotly and Python in Google Colab to create a radar chart that pulls together a lot of information in a single, easy-to-read visual. I'll quickly walk you through how I prepared the data, built the radar chart, and what observation came out of it. Data preparation steps. First, I combined all the meat-related diets, like meat, Meat 50, and Meat 100, into one single group called meat eaters, to get the overall effect of meat-based diet. Then, as the different environmental measures were on totally different scales, like emissions versus water scarcity, I normalized everything to a range in between 1 and 0. I decided to focus only on meat eaters, vegetarians, and fish eaters for this analysis, and I left out vegan diet as it displayed very minimal environmental impact. The visibility was close to none, hence I have removed vegan diet. Radar chart. I assigned different colors to every diet group. For example, vegetarians in green, meat eaters are in red and fish eaters in blue. The idea was to keep the chart simple enough that anyone could quickly spot patterns, but apt enough to observe differences between the groups. One thing that highlighted straight away is that diet choice matters more than gender when it comes to environmental impact. Meat eaters, both female and male, have the biggest environmental footprint by a long way, especially when it comes to land use and emissions. Vegetarians show much smaller impacts across all the measures, and while males generally have slightly higher impacts than females, the difference isn't that big. It's also worth mentioning that fish-based diets, although better than meat, still cause a moderate amount of environmental stress, especially in terms of water use.